this is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum.
You doing way better and all out of your feelings. Yo, it just came back and your ass is getting a little bigger. Girl, fuck that little nigga. Girl, fuck that little nigga. 'Cause you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't deserve that. Girl, you don't.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Goofy Squad. It's your girl, Malia.Angelic. And guys, look at me. I did my twist and all that stuff. And I flexed it around the ends. But I didn't want to take them out just yet because I'm trying to let this style last for this whole week. So, I mean, I'm fine with how they look. Got my edges laid, okay, you know. But this is a HelloFresh cooking video. Y'all already know, that's why you clicked on it, okay? I'm going to be cooking honey sesame chicken with broccoli over jasmine rice. Prep 10 minutes, total 35, calories 780. Ingredients include garlic, scallions, broccoli florets, cornstarch, soy sauce, sesame oil, ginger, jasmine rice, chicken breast, honey, white wine vinegar, and sesame seeds. That's all the ingredients that are included. Ingredients not included is vegetable oil, salt, and pepper. Are you part of Wine Club? Are you part of Wine Club? I'm not, but you should be. Wine Club, pair this meal with a HelloFresh wine matching this icon, fruity. Hey. Okay, like I do in every video, first 3 steps, next 3 steps, finished product. Okay, we went it with step number 1. Prep. Adjust rack to top position and preheat oven to 425 degrees. Wash and dry all produce. In a small pot, combine 1 1/4 cups of water and a pinch of salt. Bring to a boil. Mince or grate garlic. Peel and mince ginger until you have 1 tablespoon. Trim and thinly slice scallions, separating whites from greens. Step 2. Cook rice and broccoli. Once water is boiling, add rice to pot. Cover and reduce to a low simmer. Cook until tender, 15 to 18 minutes. Keep cover off heat until ready to serve. Meanwhile, toss broccoli on a baking sheet with a large drizzle of oil and a pinch of salt and pepper. Roast until tender and crisp, 15 to 20 minutes. So, like all my previous videos, except for the first time when I cook rice, I'm doing the rice cooker because that is the most safe. Step 3, sear chicken. Meanwhile, pat chicken dry with paper towels and season with salt and pepper. Heat a large drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Add chicken and cook until brown, 5 to 7 minutes per side. It will cook through in the next step. Turn off heat, remove from pan, and set aside. Wipe out pan. Okay, so we're finna get in the first 3 steps, and then I'll be back. And I'm back. Okay, step number 4. Make sauce and cook aromatics. While chicken cooks in a small bowl, In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup water, cornstarch, honey, and soy sauce until very smooth. Heat a large drizzle of oil in the pan used for chicken over a medium-low heat. So the same pan we just used for the chicken, wiped out, is clean. That's where you're adding all this stuff. Well, you're heating the drizzle of oil. and it's going to be on medium low heat. Add garlic, ginger, and scallion whites. Cook, stirring until fragrant and slightly softened, 30 seconds to a minute. Step 5. Finish chicken. Pour half the vinegar into pan and simmer until almost evaporated. Stir in sauce and bring to a boil. Let bubble until thickened, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Stir in 1 teaspoon, not tablespoon, teaspoon sesame oil. Return chicken to pan and reduce heat to medium low. I mean, wasn't it already? Oh, nope. It had to bring it to a boil. Okay. Turn to coat in sauce. Continue cooking until sauce thickens and chicken is cooked through 2 to 3 minutes. Tip: if sauce is too thick, stir in a splash of water. 6. Finish and serve. Fluff rice with a fork and season with salt. Stir in 1 teaspoon remaining sesame oil. Then divide between plates. Top with chicken and add broccoli to the side. Spoon any remaining sauce over chicken. Garnish with scallion greens and sesame seeds. That last part, I'm not doing. Like I said, it's a garnish. I'm not eating that. No, baby. Okay, we finna get into those last 3 steps, and you guys will see the finished result. Okay, when y'all see me again, y'all already know, serving time. Let's get it.
Are you using my butter?
I previously did. Did I use it today? No! I said I previously did. I admit it. You will get some more butter. Let me add that to my list.
You want to get some butter.
I know, but I gotta replace your butter and then get my butter.
Pass me a knife.
I know how far away that is. Butter knife?
Yeah.
Okay. So, rice. Rice number 1. Sure. Bring the camera down. Yeah. Can y'all see? Oh, y'all can see. I'm just kidding. You got
boil. I need you to move your stuff.
Alright, I'm moving. I'm making my plate now. I was supposed to add this to the sauce, like the ginger and stuff, but I didn't. Oops. Okay. Then we get some broccoli. I wish next time, if it tells me to put it in the oven, I'm gonna steam them, because roasting, that's a little bit illegal. I'm great. Then we have the chicken. Let me coat it one more time in the sauce. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby.
Ew.
I'm not putting sesame seeds on here. Okay. You know what? Stop rushing me. Oh goodness. More stuff stuck to the top.
Girl, ain't nobody getting that stuff for the top.
It's a lot. I was struggling. Hold on, guys. I can give me some sauce, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this looks so good.
Ew. When you come on,
You know what? You're hating. Oh, let me taste it. Okay. Delicious. Okay. this is the finished result. I know it looks good. I'm gonna eat it all. Hater. So you guys made it to the end of the video. You know, I'm excited. I'm happy. I love cooking. I love eating. You know, I like watching Food Network. Right now, I'm be watching MasterChef and then going to MasterChef Junior because they intertwine with each other sometimes. But yeah, thank you guys for coming to the end of this video, watching it. I know it's not like the best quality, but it's good. You get to cook with me, you know? Like, who wouldn't? So, like all YouTubers say, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more cooking videos. Peace! And this is not a sponsored video.